In this video, we're going to do cat-cow and contralateral stabilization. Please do only what feels good to your body. Notice how his legs, his knees are directly below his hips and his hands are directly below his shoulders. This is good alignment. He's also starting with great neutral alignment, but more about that in a moment. On an exhale, he'll round his back, draw his navel to his spine and his spine to the sky. And then he'll reverse that. Inhale, lengthening through the crown of his head and his tailbone. And again, exhale, round, draw the navel up. Beautiful. And again, exploring the range of motion, bringing nutrition to your spine, making sure all components are working as well as they can. One more rounding. And then after that, a neutral alignment for the spine. Good, so a little curve in behind the waist, out behind the heart, in behind the neck, and the crown of the head is still pointing forward. Keeping the abs lifted. On an exhale, try putting one leg directly out behind you. And you have to keep your hips still, so you can only go as high as that will allow. And then the opposite arm, if that went well. Contralateral stabilization. And then inhale, come back to the center. And exhale and switch. Beautiful. Inhale, come back to the center. And again, exhale, switch. Be sure the abs are lifted, hips are steady. Really reaching. Do as many as you want, but we're going to stop in this video now with rounding the back for another cat. Drawing the navel to the spine, relaxing the neck. Inhale, arch, exploring and releasing. And again, exhale, rounding the back. Nice.